Steve Olagus here at the 2015 Battle of Primm. Super excited. We're going to be running 3 trucks here. I got my buddy Wayne Lugo who's going to help me out. We're driving the 27 Unlimited truck and the 72 Unlimited 79 I-beam truck, and these guys 1450. So we're switching off, going back and forth between the 3 trucks and just having a good time. We got a bunch of friends out here and got like 9 motorhomes and camping, and just great time with the families and friends and just what the sport's about.
Behind us? Yeah, we do. Uh-oh, that's not good. Who's that? Fire. Man down, man down. Hold it. What happened? He sees him. We're done.
So we just finished day 1 of the Battle of Primm, and I have my buddy here, Mickey Pedro from Las Vegas Fire Department with me, and he just kept me straight. He did an awesome job. We came out, got the whole shot right off the start, and I didn't qualify that good because I got here late, my fault. But anyway, went and chased these guys, and I think at the end Johnny Greaves had a flat, so we got around him, and so far they told us we're second for the day, and it's all going to be tomorrow. So you know how this place is. You know, the first day I'll talk cheap, and then tomorrow we'll see who's still around, because course gets rough, as you know, so it'll be a lot of fun.
Unlimited truck race, good day today. I drove Steve's 79 Ford. Thing's awesome. Tons of power. Suspension works great. Just perfect day. Thing ran great, enjoyed it. Steve had an awesome day in the trophy truck, absolutely. We let him pass very gracefully. He was on it. Steve and all the crew, thank you very much. You guys have been awesome.
Go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go, 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 go. Green flag. You got him, Steve. You got him. You got him. He's right next to you. Right next to you.
up here. Get the front.
All right, you're good. You're good. Just stay on it. He's going to let you by. You got him.
Bella Prim 2015, and I think I got third today. This old 79 I-beam truck that Newham built was just tough as nails. We were keeping up with the Unlimited Trophy trucks and passing them, and can't wait to see the in-car. But my impact helmet here took some hits, and I'll tell you what, I've never been hit like that before with these rocks, so hats off to Impact for making a good helmet. We have to send over to Robbie and get a little freshen up, but we'll see how that goes. All in all, just great. VFGs, you know, no flats. I ran the KCs just because it's a little dark out there, but you know, felt good. Suspension seats, I needed it, and Fox shocks were just unbelievable. And I think that this kind of shows you, you put in Fox shocks on an I-beam truck, how it runs with these specially built trophy trucks out here is just amazing. So just all in all, a great weekend, and my co-driver Tim Gardner did an amazing job. He's a doctor, it was a day job, and brought him in for co-driving, and he just did an awesome job. So thanks. Good times. Awesome deal.